Hi, my name is Manib Langrial, and this is my APR history presentation on the Kaaba. The CED tag and background information. The Kaaba, meaning cube in Arabic, is a square building elegantly draped in a silk and cotton veil. It is the holiest shrine in Islam. The Kaaba plays a central role in Islamic religion and culture. Although the exact architect for the Kaaba is unknown, it is believed to be built by the Prophet Abraham or Ibrahim and repurposed by the Prophet Muhammad. The Kaaba is built with granite masonry and is covered with silk curtains and calligraphy in gold and silver wrapped thread. It has had multiple renovations throughout its history. It is located in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. The Kaaba was created during 631 to 632 CE, during a time before Islam was formally founded. This era was called Pre-Islamic, making this piece a pre-Islamic piece. This piece is encompassed by the theme of sacred spaces. A sacred space is a place that is given the status of being sacred through traditions or blessings. It is also a place of significance to one or more religions. The Kaaba fits this definition perfectly because it is a place of special significance and worship in Islam. I believe this piece is in our catalog because of how relevant it is to the Islamic world. Two of the five basic pillars of Islam are centered around this piece. These include prayer or salah and Hajj or pilgrimage. Every day, Muslims are obligated to face the Kaaba and pray 5 times a day. Also, if they can, they have to complete a pilgrimage to it at least once in their lives. When pilgrims arrive, they must circumambulate the Kaaba in hopes to touch or kiss the black rock. This idea of circumambulation can be seen many times in other sacred spaces, including the Dome of the Rock and the Great Stupa at Sanchi. The black rock holds significance because it was believed to be directly given to the people by an angel. The Kaaba today continues to be the cultural hearth of Islam, with millions of people praying towards it every day and visiting it every year. The Kaaba has been modified a lot during its history. The area around the Kaaba has had many expansions due to the growing number of pilgrims. During the Civil War, the Kaaba was set on fire and destroyed, along with the Black Rock being broken into 3 pieces. Ibn Zubayr, the ruler of Mecca at the time, reassembled the stone using silver and reconstructed the Kaaba as best he could to its original design. The intricate decorations in the mosque that surround the Kaaba were built during the rule of an Umayyad caliph in 705 to 715. The most recent expansion was in 1950 when the government of Saudi Arabia expanded the mosque to now be almost 40 acres large. In 1520 to 1574, under the rule of Suleiman I and Selim II, the complex was heavily renovated. In 1631, the Kaaba and the surrounding mosque were entirely rebuilt after floods had demolished them in the previous year. This mosque, which is what exists today, is comprised of a large open space with columns on 4 sides and with 7 minarets, the largest number of any mosque in the world today. At the center of this large plaza sits the Kaaba, as well as many other holy buildings and monuments. Today, unlike almost any other religious structure, the Kaaba is a cubical structure. It is 50 meters tall and 10.5 meters on each side. Its corners roughly align with the cardinal directions. The door of the Kaaba is now made of solid gold, which was added in 1982. The kiswa, a large cloth that covers the Kaaba, used to be sent from Egypt with the Hajj caravan, but today is made in Saudi Arabia. Until the advent of modern transportation, all pilgrims undertook the often dangerous Hajj or pilgrimage to Mecca in a large caravan across the desert, leaving from Damascus, Cairo, or other major cities in Arabia, Yemen, or Iraq. These constant renovations and fixes can relate to the Mosque of Dejanin, which has wooden poles sticking out of its sides that allow for citizens to climb the walls and patch up any damages and holes. Thank you.